Hello, what I wanted to do in this video was customize our homepage, and you will see there's a lot of sections here that, at least in the beginning, you probably are not going to use. As your store starts to grow, you're probably going to use these sections and even more, but just to begin with, just wanted to show you how you can just get rid of some of these sections. And so let's go customize, and you will see all these sections that you're seeing on the home page. They are showing on the left side here in this column. So this header is this header. So as you start selecting each section, you should see more options related to that section. So let's select header. We've been in this area before to upload the logo, and you can also see there's some more options here. Custom logo width, you can arrange the width of this logo. You can add an announcement bar. If you click this, I think it's going to be a bar that kind of shows up right there. You can make a quick announcement, turn this on, and I'm going to turn this back off. Also, you want to show that bar just the home page or all the pages, and you write your text here. Also gives you the option to change colors and stuff. So same way, you start moving through each section. So this is your image with text overlay. Then there's this image with text. I'm not going to go into detail of each and every option here. It's pretty self-explanatory. You just basically some alignment options, and of course change the text. Text columns with images. See how I select and this keeps changing. So featured collection is this area right here. Image with text overlay. Well, apparently we have two image with text overlays. So this is the second one showing down here. And then we have testimonials and gallery down here, and then you have the footer, and same thing, you have some options here for these links and this newsletter area that you can customize. So another thing is you can also move these sections, the position of, say, these testimonials. Right now it's showing here. If I wanted to, I can move testimonials right above this footer. So how you would do that is move your mouse to the right side and you see this cursor changing. So I'm gonna go to the testimonials, and right there it shows you on the right side what it's doing. So I am going to bring that down. And see how I just moved it. Always remember to click save. So right now it's showing you this, kind of gives you a preview, but it's still not saved. So I can go and save this. You will see the testimonials should be at the bottom. Alright. So what I'm going to do right now is get rid of some of these sections that I think I'm not going to use in the beginning. So we'll keep this, we'll upload some image here. This is a simple section here we can keep. So this area here I can remove for now. Text column with image, I guess text column with images. So what we are going to do is click here, and on the right side you see this column, and all the way down here you'll see remove section. So remove, you can see that section is gone. Same thing, I'm going to get rid of this featured collection here. Featured collection, again, remove. I'm going to get rid of this image with text overlay, the second one. Again, down here, remove. Let's see what we have right now. We have this main image, we have this, and then we have these three images and the testimonials. So I'm going to get rid of these three images here also. Gallery, and same thing, remove section. And this is what's left. We have a footer, we have testimonials, we have this image with text, and a main image, image with text overlay, as Shopify calls it, and then your header. So I need to still save, and if you have made a mistake, just remember, you see these buttons right here, this is your undo button, so you could undo your changes here. And if you have, say, gone away, saved it, and wanted to come back and bring in some other section that you had removed, that's pretty easy too. So down here at this add section, so you see this add block, this is within the footer, so it's not this, it's close all of them out. You can see is the header, these are all the sections within the page, and you can add a section there. So you could easily come back here and add a section. If I click on this, you can see all these different sections, the ones that we're seeing before and more. You could just add them in here. Alright, so for now we're not going to do that. I'll leave this here. One important thing, we still have not saved all the changes. I'm going to click save, and now the changes should be saved. And let's see, so you have testimonials. So it's a pretty simple page, which is okay for now. Okay, so next I would just like to upload an image in this section. So I'm going to select image with text overlay on the right side, all those options related to this area, select image. This is the logo we had uploaded earlier. So I have an image I would like to upload, and it's showing here. Remember, you still have to click this button down here, select, and so save. Alright, so we have an image showing. We can change this text here if we like. You could have it say anything you want. We can just type in I guess we can make this all capitals, whatever you prefer. And then this can be changed to of course you can add whatever text you want. And down here you're seeing this button label there. If you wanted this to link to a different page, you could do that. So you could do something like this, and say you had a link. You see how when I clicked in there, it starts to show all the stuff you can link to. I know we haven't done too much of anything else. We added a couple of pages and stuff, but you know, you could link to a product, a specific collection, and a blog post or whatever you like. So for now, just to show you, if I was to go in pages, you see how it gives you the pages. Of course, the pages we have here, we wouldn't want to link to those, but once we've added a product, you could just add a link and then have a button linked to those. So if I select this here, you see how a button showed up, and this is the text exactly what you have here, and then that's pretty much it. So for now, I am going to get rid of this button. Maybe we can add it later when we have more products added to the site. So all you have to do is just get rid of this and just remove this link from here and just save this. So we have this image showing, and then we have this another section down here. So we click on this on the right side, select image again, upload, find your image. I have another one here. And you select, it will start showing you all the options, and you just save, and that is it. So then we can also change this text here. So we can say, for example, whatever you want to write. So of course, if it's a little text, it won't look as good. You can fill up this section here with a few lines, describe your product, and it will look much better. And we are going to just save this. Alright, so this is where we at right now. We still have the testimonial area. I'm going to just leave that alone for now. You can see there's 3 testimonials showing right now. If you have more, it should create a scroll of this section here. So if you wanted to show your best testimonials in the beginning, you can also move the positioning. Of course, right now you cannot tell. So say for example, if I go here, you can tell that that testimonial was in the middle. I want to move that up. I could just drag it from the right side, move it up, and it shows up to the left side. And you can keep adding testimonials, and once you keep adding testimonials, what will happen is let's do that right now so you can see it. I'm gonna add another quick testimonial. And just save, and you can see how this became a slideshow. So I go here, you have 3 showing, and you click this, and if you were on the phone you can slide these and you will be able to see rest of the content. So what we have on the home page now is basically a very simple page. A lot of times you want to drop ship one item, you really don't have that much content or something, you're starting off, you probably want to keep it simple. So just wanted to show you guys how you can customize the home page and make it so it works for you. And that is it for this video, guys.